Welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is TaHoney. I am back with another hair collab, and today's video is sponsored by Unicehair. They sent me this brown colored wig, and I will be installing it with y'all, showing how I got this easy beginner friendly side part. I did put light curls in it at the end, y'all, and I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I didn't do literally nothing. Very beginner friendly. So let's get right into this video. I hope y'all enjoy.
He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.
You changed overnight. Out of sight. You magnified. You're only human, yes I know. It's okay to be unsure. I hope you know it's okay if you're not sure.
See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm with you. I know my heart can't take no more. I keep on running back to you. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby, and reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, deep. Then dip me underway. You can feel my flow. Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. And rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby, baby. Rock right up to the side of my mountain until you reach my peak, baby, baby. And reach right into the bottom of my fountain. I want to play in your deep, baby,
So guys, this is the final look. Everything will be in the description box for Unice in this exact wig. You can use my discount codes to get money off if you are interested in shopping with them. Let them know that I did send you, y'all. I definitely love this wig. Definitely was a 10 out of 10 for me. Y'all know I love me some extra baby hair, so I did just that. And as I mentioned, I did not bleach the knots on this wig. I literally didn't do nothing. Literally put it on fresh out of the box, as y'all seen. I definitely loved it. Also came with a few gifts inside with the wig, y'all. So yes, definitely go check them out. Everything will be in the description description box as I mentioned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. It will be in the description box below as well as my discount code. Don't forget to tell a friend about my channel. We at 50K, we're in a road to 100K, period. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.
He wanna fuck with her. Tell me to pull up with her. He can't get enough of her. Damn. What? He wanna fuck with her.